Hey you guys, and welcome back to Kingdom Living at Home. In today's video, you're going to be seeing my wash routine using the Keracare products. I'm going to do a braid out, which I believe came out pretty awesome. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and check this video out. But before you do, please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so. All right, you guys, let's roll into the video. So you guys, I wanted to kind of share with you all what I have been doing for the issues I've been dealing with my face here recently. I have been noticing that my skin has been breaking out here lately. I'm not sure what's causing it to act up, but I know in the past, about I would say maybe 10 years ago, I had a really bad acne flare up, which I've never dealt with acne as a teenager. I never dealt with it in my 20s. For some reason, I started dealing with acne once I hit 30, and I started using Proactive as a measure to combat the acne, and it really did help stop the acne from, reappearing, and it cleared up my acne scars that I had. And I hadn't had to use it in a few years. My skin seemed to have been doing pretty good. But like I said here recently, I would say in the past couple of months, my face has been breaking out again. Again, I don't know what's causing it, but I started back using my Proactive because I know that has helped me in the past. So I just wanted to kind of show you what I am doing currently in helping clear my skin. Now, I will say, since I've been back using Proactive, I haven't had any more flare-ups. So right now I'm just trying to prevent future flare-ups and clear up those acne marks that I have on my face. So, yeah, I'm just showing you guys what I have been doing.
Just like Elijah, you're so good to me, and I can't even speak. Sometimes all I can do is cry. Close my, close my eyes, raise my hands, do a dance for you. Praise you, it's true to the one it belongs to. Thank you, Lord, for all you do for me, for all you've done for me, for how you love me. Thank you, Lord, for how you care for me. You always there for me. You said you never leave. Just wanna never mind all the things going on in my mind lately. Never mind Hit you up in the morning, hit you up in the evening. God, you know that I know that. Yeah, you know that I need it. Yeah, I need to talk, 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 talk. What you got? I wanna walk, 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 walk with you. I'm missing every piece of the puzzle, and I think that I don't need to speak to the only one who sees everything going on inside, everything that I'm trying to hide, everything I've been trying to fight, everything. So reposture my heart, reposture my mind.
Well, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is the finished result. I absolutely love it. I think it turned out awesome. Just so you guys know, my hair was braided for 2 days. So I always can tell a major difference when I leave my braids in longer when I'm doing braid outs, but I I do love it. So with all that being said, thank you again for taking the time to watch this video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, I ask that you subscribe, and please like this video and comment below and let me know if you guys do braid outs. Is that a go-to protective style for you? And I look forward to seeing you guys there. All right, you guys, take care. See you in the next one.